the total number of seconds in P weeks, P days, P hours, P minutes and P seconds is how much? So easy in terms of concept, little tough in terms of calculation. So let's try to do this little patiently. So P seconds is P, that's it. P minutes we know each 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So P minutes will have 60 P seconds, nice. P hours, so P hours will have 60 into 60 seconds. So each 1 minute, each 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Each 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So totally there are 60 into 60 seconds in 1 hour. So P hours 60 into 60 P. P days. P days means once again this content gets multiplied by 24 because in each day we have 24 hours. So that means 24 into 60 into 60p and P weeks. 1 week there are 7 days, so there are P weeks. That means this entire content multiplied by 7. 7 into 24 into 60 into 60p. So that means my final answer is going to be the addition of all these. This many P plus this many P plus this many P plus this plus 60p plus P. Or this is like 1P, addition of everything. Now one point is simple and clear that our answer must end with 1P. Because we have a 1P here, all the other units places are 0. That means 0 added with everything plus 1 should give you 1P. Now we'll check the answer. It's either B or D. We can remove A and C. I'm ignoring A and C because they are ending with some 0 P's. They can't be. So it's either B or D. Fine, okay. Now we have to add it up. Let's try checking like if we can do anything smarter. So this is P1. This is 60. I'm not taking P's, I'm taking only the numbers. 60 into 60 is 3600. 60 into 60 into 24 is 3600 into 24. 3600 into 24, we'll do 36 into 24. This will give us 6 4s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 12 plus 2, 24 plus 2, 26, 2 carry 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. So 864000, sorry 00, 86400. Hold on. So if we are adding up this itself, or simply here itself we got 86,400. That means my answer has to be something more. B is too small, correct? B can't be the right answer. What we got here is 11,581p, but here we got 86,400 here itself. When I add it will be even bigger. That means our answer has to be something bigger, a big number. We are just left with D. That appears to be convincing for us. So D should be the right answer. I am not going for the full calculation. You can complete it and check. You should be getting D. So answer D, option D. 694861P should be the right answer. Anyways, we'll check that. We are perfectly right. Option D is the right answer.